In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Tether in Binance. So for those people who do not know Tether is also known as stable coin. So why is it called stable? Because its value is backed up by US dollar, which means when you're buying one Tether, you're basically buying one US dollar. And since the value of US dollar doesn't go up and down, it's still going to remain $1 even after 10 years, 20 years. That's basically why it is called stable coin, because Tether value is not going to go up, not going to go down. It's going to remain the same, all right? So that's basically why Tether is called stable coin. And you guys can easily purchase it on Binance because Binance is a crypto exchange. Now, what does crypto exchange mean? Is crypto exchange means a place where guys can buy and sell crypto, and Binance is one of the top crypto exchange in the world, all right? So it's pretty, secure to, buy and sell crypto in Binance. So if you guys also want to transact crypto, you guys can sign up for Binance. And if you guys want to sign up in Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Now, once you go on Binance, basically you want to click on buy crypto. Once you click on buy crypto, there's going to be these options from where you guys can buy Tether. The first option is bank deposit, which means you can, transfer your money from your bank into Binance and buy USDT. And the other is by credit card, debit card, by attaching your credit and debit card on your Binance, taking money from that and buying, USDT in another word, Tether. And P2P means you guys are going to, get linked with another person and you need to send money to that person in their bank account. Once they receive the money, they're going to release the Tether and you're going to receive it. And the other is by third party payment method, which means like your, Cash App and other stuff. All right, so basically you can also choose like which currency you want to use. Once you click on over here, you can choose the currency which you want to use. So for me, it's going to be USD, which means US dollar. So I like that, so I'm going to keep it in USD. So let's say I want to buy Tether using credit or debit card. I can click on it. Once I click on it, I can enter the amount of Tether I want to buy. But at the bottom, as you guys can see, it's in Bitcoin, so you want to choose Tether over here. So once you click on it, you want to select USDT and click on Tether over here. Once you do that, you want to enter the amount you want to spend. So let's say I'm going to spend $20. So basically I'm going to receive 19.70 USDT. A bit of money is going to be taken as fee. All right, once you do that, you click on continue, and basically it's going to ask you for like your payment method and verification process. After you do that, basically your Tether will be purchased. That's basically how you guys can buy Tether, or in another word, USDT in Binance. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. And it's me, Richie Kevin. Thanks for watching the video until the end. If you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And thanks for watching the video until the end. It's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. Stay tuned to our channel, One to Step, for future video.